There's a dial on the Jigsaw that most people ignore or leave on the same setting forever. It's the Orbital Action Selector, and once you get it, you'll use it every time. Let me show you what it does. By default, the blade goes straight up and down, clean, precise, simple. Turn Orbital Action on and it starts moving in a slight oval. On the upstroke, it pushes forward into the material. On the downstroke, it pulls back. That forward scoop is more aggressive, removes material faster. Dial it up and the oval gets bigger. On the Ryobi, you've got 4 positions: 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is off, 3 is the maximum, and 1 and 2 are the in-between. Let's go through the 4 settings. 0, off. Straight up and down, use this for metal, laminate, ceramics, tight curves, anything where position or finish quality matters. Slower, smoother and cleaner. Number 1 is the low. A small amount of forward bite, faster through wood, still decent finish, your go-to for hardwood, plywood, MDF. Covers most of everyday cuts. Now we're into the number 2 setting, the medium. Noticeably more aggressive, more tear out on the edge, but meaningfully faster. Good for softwoods and sheet timber, when pace matters more than the finish. Now onto the maximum setting, setting number 3. This is the full oval motion, maximum scoop, fast and brutal for thick softwood. Rough framing, demolition work, don't expect a clean edge. Harder or more delicate material, less orbital action. Softer, rougher job, more. That's it. So let's look at 2 common mistakes. The first one is running on number 3 for everything. High orbital action on hardwood or metal causes grabbing, wandering cuts and torn edges. Match the settings to the material. And the second mistake most people do is using a high orbital action on tight curves. The forward push kills your steering. Drop to 0 or 1 for anything other than a gentle curve. That's orbital action, what it does and when to use each setting. Thumbs up if it helped, subscribe for more Ryobi guides and other DIY guides, and drop a comment if there's something else you want covered.